Assuming you have to take off this plastic piece right here and use your hook tool right there to pull this down. Same thing for this side, and there should be a screw back there. And for this visor, you can see that in there. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's see what happens. To get this pillar off, it has one of those metal clips, and I have some extra ones just in case I break these. And it goes in there, and this plastic tip basically just aligns it to go into that circle right there. There's one over here too. Now right here, there's a little opening where you can put this hook in. You can pry at it, and there's this, there it is. There. You pry it all off, it just pulls out this way. And there's those two screws I was talking about. And from here, you could either do this here or take it off. I'll just take it off. Pretty hard to record. There you go. Now let's take that off. Alright guys, once you get the visor removed, all it is 3 screws. Pretty long, so you can't lose them. Let's go ahead and get this removed. So I just realized I have to take this one off too, right here, which is a visor hook. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. The objective is to get into that. See that right there? I need to get in there, loosen that up just a bit. Alright, those of y'all that are doing this part is crucial. Once you take off this from the antenna, this nut right here, this piece is gonna come off. And in here, this is where the wire sits in. See that gap right here? That's where the wire goes through. So once you got all that off, let's see if I can focus for you guys. You're gonna have to take off those 2 electric connectors. So for this red one right here, you're gonna have to push on that little tab right there outward this way. In order for this one to come loose, unhook from that hook right there, you have to pull that little tab with the hook. And for the yellow one, which is right here on the left side, you're gonna have to pull that tab right there upward so that it could unhook from this hook right there. And that's how you get these removed. You just pull this right up, it should come out just like that. Here's a better view of those connectors right here. So that tab unhooks from there, and for the yellow one, that tab unhooks from that one. And this piece right here that I mentioned, it goes in here, and the wire should go underneath that. And then from there, you just put the bolt back in, and you're set. The only difficult part is, it's very hard to get in there from this angle. I didn't take off the whole headliner. I just took off the pillar like I showed y'all. So I don't have much access in my big ass hand.